Well, we totally forgot to say hi. We are just got finished here, but hello, hi, and welcome. We are at Marlowes. I was trying to read it.
In Memphis.
Yeah, it's backwards right now.
It's Elvis's favorite restaurant
Yes.
and their food. And every time Priscilla and Lisa Marie and her kids come, they usually get from here to eat at Graceland.
Yeah. So we did eat here, so you'll see everything post shot. Sorry.
We're doing it a little bit backwards.
We are, but it's just amazing. You're walking in Elvis's footsteps. I mean, just this picture right here, Elvis pulling up in his caddy or something. I mean, just like the historical significance of this place is amazing. But guys, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. We really do appreciate all your love and support.
Please help us get to 1,000 subscribers. I know that we can do it with all of our fan band members like you guys. We love seeing those comments. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friends.
Yes. And you know, as you look at the menu, just put down what you guys would probably want to try when you come.
Or what do you think Elvis had?
Right. Yeah, for sure. But guys, thank you so much, and we really do hope you appreciate this video. I'm trying to figure out something funny to say, but I can't find it. But enjoy the video, guys. On our way over to dinner, we just got done with the Disney Archives. We came across Vernon's old house, and here it is in all its glory. We're not going to be too invasive. I'm sure they get a lot of Disney fans or a lot of Elvis fans that come over. Now Graceland is right behind the house. This is really cool. Now the story goes Elvis bought this house for Vernon. But it's a really nice house. I like it. Someone has said that it's up for sale again, but I'm not sure. I haven't seen anything on Realtor.com or anything. But there's a placard over here. I wanted to take a shot at that too. And that's a placard that they have. I'm zoomed all the way in. As you zoom back out, you get to see the front door. I don't know, with all the history that's involving Vernon and Elvis and everybody, I would make this into a historical place and actually charge admission. Like I said, Graceland's right behind. But that's all for Vernon's house. There's a sun glare that's coming through and illuminating you. It's pretty cool. But can you believe that you're actually here where Elvis ate? Yeah, so someone's actually sitting at the king's table. So we had asked them once they cleared out, we'll be told and we'll go film that. We don't want to be too rude.
Should I get a salad or chicken?
The world is your oyster. Because most of the people on our channel know that I'm a rib guy. I'm probably going to go with the ribs.
I'm surprised you didn't see...
The brisket?
No.
Oh, the ribeye? No, I saw that.
Okay, so at our table they have really cool stuff. And this is a painting. And then there's Brian. And then over here... He tells me to record and then he's like, go over here and get it. I can't get it.
Yeah, so the food just came out actually pretty quickly. I ordered the combination platter, so that comes with a half a rack of ribs and brisket, onion rings, French fries, and 2 rolls.
Okay, I got the half barbecue chicken. It has homemade barbecue, and it comes with what does it come with? Beans and coleslaw, but I asked for mac and cheese and fries.
So we're checking in. We don't like showing dirty plates, but Amber is chowing away. She's getting there. She gave me her drumstick.
Okay, so the chicken is really dry for me, so it's a little bit hard to like swallow. So I was like, maybe I can like poke around at it and find a different spot. Unfortunately, no. But it does have pretty good flavoring for me. The fries were pretty good. A lot of the seasoning was really good. I don't know what they used. The mac and cheese, it was good, but then like it dries out because it's sitting there because I'm trying to pick at my chicken. Let's see what Brian says.
You can't hide. I ate all the ribs and the brisket. The brisket and ribs were pretty decent. The barbecue sauce that they use is really good.
I wish they used more.
Yeah, I kind of wish they would bring more barbecue sauce on the side, just in case you want it. I'm sure they would bring it out if you asked for it. The onion rings were berry battered. I'm not big into the thickness of the onion ring. I like skinnier ones, so that's my preference. But it was the one that I did eat was pretty good. Like Amber said, the seasoning on the fries were amazing. All in all, now she keeps asking if we're ready for this big chocolate cake. It looks rich, and there's no way whatsoever.
It looks like that, but it probably
Yeah.
wasn't. It was like, like that.
So this older couple behind us, or behind me, they got the cake, and they're like, "Whoa!"
We heard the reaction.
Yeah. So we're not even going to attempt.
They have
Though
like apple pie thing. They have like
they have apple pie,
banana split type thing.
banana split, and then the chocolate cake. And then here's a QR code. They actually have a gift shop here. I'm not going to talk too loud. Oh, that's the seasoning that they use for the fries. I really like this.
Careful where you walk. You're gonna make noise.
So yeah, the shirts right here. They're all right now for $15. And then they have gold records and all this kind of stuff. And more shirts. So, yeah, we just did our intro as you saw. But we did buy a video from the gift shop.
Because we cannot find it anywhere.
No, so this is actually Follow That Dream by Elvis. It's actually a movie shot in Florida, so that's why we got it, so we can do a video.
And look what else we got.
Yeah, and that's what I wanted to show you. They actually, on the back, they actually have the history of Marlowes. So there you go. Now you can
We
kind
could call them for a free ride to Marlowe's in one of our famous pink limos.
Hey, that'd be pretty awesome. But guys, if you are new here, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. Bye, guys.